The stance is one of the most fascinating yet lesser-known creations from the earliest days of Japan's automotive industry, a time when experimentation, ambition, and necessity converged to shape the future of mobility in the country. Emerging in 1936 alongside the more widely recognized Model A, the Model AB Phaeton represented a different interpretation of what an automobile could be in that era, emphasizing openness, elegance, and a unique driving experience that contrasted with the enclosed practicality of standard sedans. It was a vehicle born not just from engineering ambition but from a desire to explore design possibilities, even at a time when the industry itself was still finding its footing. The origins of the Model AB Phaeton are deeply connected to the vision of, whose determination to establish a domestic automobile manufacturing industry in Japan drove the development of multiple early prototypes and production models. At that time, the automotive landscape in Japan was heavily influenced by foreign manufacturers, particularly American companies whose vehicles dominated both the market and the technological standards of the period. Rather than attempting to reinvent the wheel, Toyota's early engineers studied these imported vehicles closely, learning from their construction, design philosophies, and mechanical systems. This approach allowed them to accelerate development while gradually building their own expertise. The Model AB Phaeton was, in many ways, an extension of this learning process, sharing much of its underlying engineering with the Model A while presenting a different body style that prioritized openness and stylistic flair. The term, Phaeton, itself referred to a type of open automobile without fixed side windows, often associated with leisure driving and a sense of freedom. In adopting this design, Toyota demonstrated an understanding of global automotive trends while also experimenting with how such concepts could be adapted to local conditions and preferences. Mechanically, the Model AB Phaeton was built upon the same fundamental platform as its sedan counterpart, utilizing a ladder frame chassis that provided strength and durability while remaining relatively straightforward to manufacture. The engine, a 3.4-liter inline six-cylinder unit derived from the Type A engine family, delivered modest but reliable performance, producing around 60 horsepower. This level of output was sufficient for the driving conditions of the time, particularly in a country where road infrastructure was still developing and high-speed travel was not yet a primary concern. The engine's design reflected a balance between power, efficiency, and manufacturability, ensuring that it could be produced with the resources and expertise available at the time. The driving experience of the Model AB Phaeton would have been markedly different from that of enclosed vehicles. With its open-top configuration, occupants were directly exposed to the elements, creating a more immersive connection with the surrounding environment. This design choice not only enhanced the sense of freedom associated with driving but also introduced practical considerations, such as the need for weather protection through a folding soft-top roof. When deployed, the roof provided basic shelter from rain and sun, though it lacked the insulation and comfort of a fully enclosed cabin. When folded down, it transformed the car into a true open-air vehicle, ideal for leisurely drives and scenic journeys. Visually, the Model AB Phaeton retained the rounded, aerodynamic styling that characterized many vehicles of the 1930s, a design trend influenced by advances in aerodynamics and a growing appreciation for streamlined forms. The car's flowing fenders, gently sloping roofline, and integrated headlights contributed to a cohesive and elegant appearance. Chrome accents on the grille and trim added a touch of sophistication, while the overall proportions conveyed a sense of balance and refinement. Despite being an experimental or limited production model, the attention to detail in its design suggested that Toyota was already striving to create vehicles that were not only functional but also visually appealing. Inside the cabin, the Model AB Phaeton offered a simple yet purposeful layout. Seating was arranged to accommodate multiple passengers, with upholstery designed for durability rather than luxury. The absence of fixed windows meant that side curtains or removable panels were often used to provide some degree of protection against wind and rain. The dashboard featured essential instrumentation, including a speedometer and basic controls, reflecting the straightforward approach to automotive design that was typical of the era. While it lacked the advanced features of modern vehicles, the interior of the Model AB Phaeton was a testament to the ingenuity of its designers, who worked within the constraints of their time to create a usable and enjoyable driving environment. The production and distribution of the Model AB Phaeton were limited, and it is believed that only a small number of units were ever built. This scarcity has contributed to its status as a rare and highly significant piece of automotive history. Unlike the Model A, which saw relatively broader use, the Phaeton variant was likely produced in smaller quantities, possibly serving as a demonstration of design capability or catering to a niche market. As a result, Very few examples have survived, and much of what is known about the vehicle comes from historical records, photographs, and reconstructions. The broader context in which the Model AB Phaeton was developed cannot be overlooked. The late 1930s were a period of increasing geopolitical tension, and Japan's industrial resources were gradually being redirected toward military production. This shift had a profound impact on the automotive industry, limiting the production of civilian vehicles and prioritizing the development of trucks and other utility vehicles for military use. Within this environment, experimental and luxury-oriented models like the Model AB Phaeton became less practical to produce, leading to their eventual discontinuation. Despite its limited production and relatively short lifespan, the Model AB Phaeton played an important role in Toyota's early development. It demonstrated the company's willingness to explore different vehicle types and adapt global automotive trends to its own context. This spirit of experimentation would continue to influence Toyota's approach in the decades that followed, as it expanded its product lineup and entered new markets around the world. The legacy of the Model AB Phaeton can also be understood in terms of its contribution to Toyota's evolving design philosophy. By experimenting with open-top configurations and alternative body styles, the company gained valuable insights into aerodynamics, structural integrity, and user experience. These lessons would later inform the development of a wide range of vehicles, from practical sedans to sporty convertibles and beyond. In this sense, the Model AB Phaeton can be seen as an early step in a long journey of innovation and diversification. From a cultural perspective, the Model AB Phaeton reflects a moment in time when automobiles were transitioning from purely utilitarian machines to symbols of lifestyle and personal expression. The open-top design, in particular, evoked a sense of leisure and adventure, qualities that would become increasingly associated with car ownership in the years to come. Even in its early stages, Toyota recognized the importance of these emotional and experiential aspects, incorporating them into the design of the Model AB Phaeton. The rarity of the Model AB Phaeton has made it a subject of fascination among automotive historians and enthusiasts. Efforts to preserve and document the vehicle have helped to ensure that its story is not lost, even as physical examples remain scarce. Museums, archives, and collectors play a crucial role in this process, piecing together the history of the car through meticulous research and restoration. These efforts not only honor the achievements of Toyota's early engineers but also provide valuable insights into the broader development of the automotive industry. In reflecting on the significance of the Model AB Phaeton, it is important to recognize that its value lies not only in its physical attributes but also in what it represents. It is a symbol of a formative period in Toyota's history, a time when the company was still defining its identity and exploring the possibilities of automotive design. The challenges faced during this era, from limited resources to rapidly changing economic and political conditions, highlight the resilience and determination that have come to define Toyota as a company. The story of the Model AB Phaeton is ultimately one of exploration and aspiration, a narrative that resonates with the broader themes of innovation and progress. It serves as a reminder that even the most successful enterprises begin with uncertainty and experimentation, and that the willingness to take risks and embrace new ideas is essential to growth. As Toyota continues to evolve and adapt to the changing landscape of the automotive industry, the legacy of early models like the Model AB Phaeton remains an enduring source of inspiration. In today's world, where automotive technology has advanced to include electric powertrains, autonomous driving systems, and connected features, it can be easy to overlook the humble beginnings from which these innovations emerged. Yet the Model AB Phaeton stands as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of those early pioneers, whose efforts laid the foundation for everything that followed. It is a reminder that progress is built upon the accumulation of knowledge and experience, and that each step forward is informed by the lessons of the past. The enduring fascination with the Model AB Phaeton also speaks to the timeless appeal of classic automobiles. Despite the passage of time and the evolution of technology, there is something inherently captivating about these early vehicles, with their distinctive designs and mechanical simplicity. They offer a glimpse into a different era, one in which the automobile was still a relatively new and exciting innovation, full of potential and possibility. As enthusiasts and historians continue to study and celebrate the Model AB Phaeton, its place in the story of Toyota and the broader automotive industry becomes ever more secure. It is a vehicle that may not have achieved widespread recognition in its own time, but whose significance has grown with the passage of years. In this way, the Model AB Phaeton exemplifies the idea that true importance is not always immediately apparent, and that some contributions only come to be fully appreciated in retrospect. Through its design, engineering, and historical context, the Model AB Phaeton offers a rich and compelling narrative that extends far beyond its physical form. It is a story of ambition, adaptation, and the relentless pursuit of progress, themes that continue to resonate in the modern era. By understanding and appreciating this early chapter in Toyota's history, we gain a deeper insight into the values and principles that have guided the company's success and continue to shape its future.